Stop looking at her nipple covers.
Yeah, help it.
I'd be okay if I don't see another pillar for at least a month. Just so that you're watching, she said she shouldn't have the gyro because now she's not super skinny. But if you look at my fat fucking belly, I did have the gyro, and I'm very happy. Let me see your lips. Good. All right, first thing I want to do is start with a beauty portrait of you. So let's have you, hold on, I'm gonna put you here. Sorry, I'm just kind of looking at the light leaking in. So let me have you here.
Okay, standing up.
No, you're gonna sit.
Oh,
Yeah.
boy. All right.
Okay.
It is tight.
So what I want is get your booty all the way forward. Yep. Arms out to the side. Yep. And lean chest, but lean forward at me now. Yep. Good. Good. I'm gonna go here with this. And Brandy, yeah, clean up some of this off her collar for me. That looks really good. Yeah, you got a lot of people watching for you. All right, so while that's getting done, I'm probably gonna have this reflector on her lap. And then let's look at her eyes. See right there, right there, right there. Yeah, this looks, camera left looks a little wonky. No, on the outside. Chin this way, just a dinch. And what I want you to get is this sensation, no, down at her, the tuck part. This is all, this part's not straight. What I want is you to get this sensation from here of pushing your neck out. Yes, good. I like that a lot. Yes, that's perfect, Brandy, thank you. And everybody, if you're standing directly behind me, just be careful because you're blocking light, including myself, okay? You gotta get flat with it. Push this down. What's the reason? Why is this? There we go. Now let this come down. Keep coming down. Not seeing it, Alicia. See it hitting that wall right there. What I want you to do with this hand maybe is I want you to just pinch this. I just want a V coming in. Yeah, that's perfect, Alyssa. Good, okay. Brandy?
Yep.
No, just stay out of the light. Chin down, right there. So don't move, this is what's happening.
Oh.
Oh, did you see anything or no?
Yeah, I did. Man, I look white. Yeah.
No, it's because you didn't go to the right tanning place. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very nice. Stay there. Chin down just a little. Love that. Stay there. What if you get your hands into this? So maybe they're pulling up on the collar. Maybe they're bringing the collar together. Yeah, right there, right there. Love that. Chin this way just a dinch. Yep. Love that. Looking away, that looked actually really good. Chin more left. Yep, right there. Don't make that back of the wrist so strong. Yeah, right there. Beautiful. Yep, shoot me a look. Chin down just a little. Yes, right there. Beautiful. There you go. Follow me with your face. Keep your body there. Chin down. No. It's good. Everybody's good. Yes, love that angle on you. What if this left hand comes down? Yeah, lean into it a little. I like that. Good, good. Ooh, I like where this is going. Get rid of that reflector. That right hand, maybe it's, I need to see it. I like that. Chin, right there. Love this, Corinne. Looking all the way to your left. Yep. Beautiful, Corinne. Love this. What if? Look, yeah. That's where I want to go with this. Good. Good. Love the hands. Don't mess with them. She covered in the front, Josh? Yeah? I don't believe he would tell me if you weren't, though. I feel like he would just enjoy it.
She's covered.
She's covered. It's perfect.
Great.
Good.
Look for her right
Looking
here.
at me, chin down, right there. Felice, can we get that the bag and reflector out? Make sure it's zipped. Okay. This looks killer. Only if you could throw something. Yeah, just a sliver. No, you can do it. You can do what you were doing. Keep rolling it. Can you roll it more? There it is, right there. Woo! Come on, bogeys. Gorgeous. Stay there with it, Alyssa. Let me get in tight here. Right there. Dude, this is looking awesome.
Felt that. Felt the same there.
I love
it.
that. That
Yes.
red is just popping.
That one's really
Isn't that cool?
That one's really cool. Okay, I like it, and I like the messiness to it too. It's really cool.
I want to see this last one. Yes, 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 yes. God, your cheekbones.
Yeah, they're popping. Okay, let's keep moving.
All right.
Let's come over here. Let's go up here. Can we,
Can we do something where we shoot like she's leaning on one of the pillars and we use all of these?
so, I need a different lens. Where's my bag? Leave it there. No. The shot?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just over pillars. Is there any place we can go? I'd be okay if I don't see another pillar for at least a month. Right there, right there. Don't go all the way to the wall. Yeah, slide this way just a little. Yeah, right there. Stop. Come off now. Yeah, if you don't mind. Let me see, you looking at me? How much can you top? Do you have any kind of cool, funky sunglasses? I want some with gold. They got gold?
Yeah, kind of going.
You got your sunglasses? He's got gold?
It's like brown.
Let me see. Yeah, they're fun. Nice. Yeah, they play.
Get out of the street.
Yeah, perfect. Spread that stance for me. Love that. Let me get a test shot. It's a little too hot for me. There we go. Hang tight. I love this. There you go. 1, 2. Yeah, you model. Have some fun with it. Perfect. Love that. No, I like it. Love it. Keep going. Up to the right. Yeah. Grab that jacket again and then go up to the right. Yes, right there. Love that. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. Eye contact with that same pose. I like that a lot. Oh, that's super cool.
Oh, yeah.
Just to give you a sense.
Oh, that's chic.
Isn't that funny?
Cool. Yeah,
Fun?
I love the wall. That's awesome.
Want to shift focal length? Josh.
Look at your girl. Look at your glasses.
Very
on
cool.
your
Oh
girl.
yeah.
I like that. I like that. Good. Keep going. That's fun right there. That's fun. Good. Stay there. Let me back up. Get that full body. Yeah, don't let me die. Tesla, we don't have to worry. Car won't let it hit us. Let me see if I put you by her lips. Leaning directly against the wall. You're directly against that wall though. Yeah, cross the thing. Get one leg up, can you do it?
This way?
Yeah, nah, cross the thing. Or maybe it's just like kind of the heels back.
Like this?
Yeah, and let the knee collapse. Let that knee collapse here. Yeah. Lower body looks cool, upper body doesn't share that angle. Yeah, let's get funky with it. Stay angular though, like bend at joints. Yeah, there we go. It's not gonna let you steal it. Yeah, keep going. Left hand's looking funky, I don't love it. There we go, now we're getting close. Yeah, look towards that hand. Yeah, that's fun. Arch that back, twist the shoulders a little bit up. Going this way. Yes, now looking towards that hand. Yeah, that's cool, that's cool. Yeah, get that right hand up higher. Yes, right there, stay there with it. I wanna get closer on that. There's no,
I have boob cover now.
oh,
Winning.
Yep. Nipple covered.
I didn't see any nipple.
No, because it was covered.
Oh, so you should have left it open.
You can see a giant nipple cover.
Not from my angle,
Oh.
only from your perverted angle. Stop looking at her nipple covers.
Can't help it.
Nah, I don't love it. Square up.
This way?
Yeah, you going too much thinking, man, with that sideways.
Too many mine.
Yeah, I like that. Can you go? It does. Can you go though? The girls can help you. You can put your hands on your hips and then don't do it yet.
No, she could probably do it.
Okay.
If I
Just
can
make sure it's
just
taut up
tuck.
top.
What if you go with like thumbs in the,
That was good.
yeah. What if you go with thumbs in the pants? So what I want though with the jacket is I want it, while she's there, let it sweep back on either side. Yeah.
Flex harder.
Yeah, relax the hands. Just so that you're watching, she said she shouldn't have the gyro because now she's not super skinny. But if you look at my fat fucking belly, I did have the gyro and I'm very happy. All right, there you go. Good. Pop that hip a little bit and don't make the hands look so like this. Let the fingers relax. Yeah. Don't move now. Now get the. Yeah, that looks awesome. Very nice, very sexy. Okay, here we go. So sexy. Chin to me. Looking up to your right. Yes, love that. Josh, come on, man. Critique that. You digging that?
That's amazing. Vogue.
Josh is feeling it. He's feeling the Vogue. Love that. Look away again. That that is nice. Tilt the shoulders a little. Yeah. Don't move. Get that camera right. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Looking up to that right. Yep. Yeah, I don't see anything. Right there. Can you, with your right hand maybe, as you're looking away, like, oh, I like that. And don't move, nothing showing. Perfect. What if you turn your chest this way? Yep, chest is perfect. Face that way and let that hand open up a little bit. Right there, good. No, not, well, that'll work. Good. Flare that right elbow just a little. Yeah, baby steps, love that. Okay, let me go back to that pose.
Oh, there you go.
Go back, no, you stay in there. Yeah, back to that pose. I wanna get you from this angle, like looking this way. You see you looking this way? Yeah, right there, that's what I want. Love that. Chin down, direct at me though. Twist your face to me, right there. Left hand here. Yeah, I like that. There we go. Fun. Can you sit? Can you squat in that?
Curve check. Oh, you can wall sit.
Nah, you're getting too low. Yeah. Can you squat?
Yeah.
So
Like literally do a squat.
yeah,
You
let's
button this back up.
yeah, button it up so it doesn't pop open. But come over here and let's see you squat.
All right, well, you know what? I can't squat. Whether this one wants to squat is the question. They are tight in this It's about as low as it'll be.
Ah, don't worry about it. Don't look good.
Yeah.
I'm good. We got killer stuff. All right, great job.
Good job.
Great job today.
Oh, thank you.
You did awesome.
It was fun.
Good job, my friend.
Thank you.
Say it.
Watch yourself. What am I saying?
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.